What's going on, everyone? It's Crypto Bubble Club here, bringing you another video where I'm going to talk to you about what I think is going to happen in the next 24 to 48 hours in the crypto market. Judging by the overall trend of the market, it seems like Bitcoin and the cryptocurrency market as a whole has really been trending upwards the past couple weeks now. We had a little bit of a pushback yesterday, so today and moving forth to tomorrow, it's going to rise even more. Now, Bitcoin dominance is going up heavy. It's almost at 38%. The question is that going to continue to rise? I have a feeling that a lot of that money is going to change very shortly into a few altcoins, but aside from that, Bitcoin is also going to keep steadily growing. Because again, look at the facts. The market correction pretty much happened in the sense that Bitcoin went down to $6,000 and then now it's ramping up again. They talked a lot about the Chinese New Year and people pulling money out, and now everyone's just going to start putting money in, and once they see that Bitcoin is rallying consistently, more money is going to go in, so it's going to be an accelerating process. And not only that, now we have the regulators talking so freely about cryptocurrencies and innovative technology and not wanting to stump that growth, and them leading the way to cleaning out all the scammers and fraudsters is going to give the general public the confidence to really get invested in a lot of these projects like Ripple, like Ethereum, Neo, IOTA, Litecoin, and it's going to allow them to explode much more than they already have. Because again, guys, let's face it, these coins, a lot of them, they're just assets to companies. It's pretty much just like stocks. With the difference there being that there are also networks, so the more people that get involved, the more powerful that network grows. So in terms of power, the wealth connects, whatever, it's all in the same. Day by day, I feel like the market is going to grow healthier, and when it does, certain coins are going to explode out of proportion. I feel that Binance coin is one of those coins. I feel that the more people that are getting involved in Binance, the more that coin has the potential to grow. And once that discount expires, the Binance coin is going to go up that much faster, I believe, right after that, because people are still going to be trading at a heavier volume. And I looked extensively at Icon. I actually made a video about Icon, so I'm really supportive on Icon. They already have some stuff in progress, so you can actually use it already. So I don't really know if it's going to explode to $1,000, but I think that Icon is going to stick around. It's going to do well. Tron is those other companies. Tron is a coin that I think also is going to do pretty well. They're going to stick around, but the only issue with Tron is that I haven't seen anything actually happen yet. They have a coin burn happening, but once again, their project itself, I don't see anything. So that's the only thing that bothers me about Tron. Is just that Justin Sun is very hype about his coin, so I want to see if he can really do something. So once again, Tron is a perfect example of one of those coins that I wouldn't advise you to get into, only because they haven't proved their product in any way, shape, or form yet. They do have partnerships, but speaking of partnerships, Ripple has so many partnerships right now, and it's with a lot of really good companies. Some not that known, but still they're good companies, and Ripple has a lot of partnerships right now, so that's going to allow them to get that exposure. They'll need to consistently grow to the next level. And Litecoin has been around for so long. It's such a great coin. So, I think that Litecoin absolutely has potential to go back to where it was before. And if not, it's going to exceed where it was before. So that 350, we can definitely reach that again. I really think so with Litecoin. But I do have this issue with the market. I wonder if it's going to start consolidating to just a few selected coins. I mean, you can't just keep expecting to have hundreds and hundreds of new companies come out every single day, these new ICOs. A lot of them are not legitimate, and that's what they're working on to fix. But the point being is that you can't keep having these new companies come on board and the market keep exploding at this point without some real results in impacting the world. Bitcoin has definitely proven that it can do that. Ethereum has proven that it can do that. What we really need to focus on is perfect what Bitcoin can offer and make that better. And there's so many people that I would like to thank that are already on that project, making Bitcoin the better than already is. I'm going to do a quick little 360 really quick just to show you guys something on Twitter. Guys, be careful with this. Look, this has been going around so much. You see this person over here. It's an obvious scam. They're telling you to send them 0.3 to 0.8 Ethereum to their address, and you'll get 3 to 8 Ethereum back. That's a lot of money. 0.3, 0.8, and 3 to 8 is even a lot more. But guys, don't do it. Don't fall for this. I swear to you, it's a scam. There's so many of these going on. Just flip your coins the right way. Follow the market the right way. Do this to yourself, please. Anyway, with Bitcoin's dominance growing, I don't know if a lot of these coins are going to explode, but I have a feeling that they are. But guys, please keep in mind, I'm not a professional financial advisor in any sort, shape, or form. This is just what I am opinionating from watching the market for the several couple months and whatnot, and seeing what the potentials are with some of these coins. If you have any questions regarding any of these coins or what do you think about them, if you want to talk about investments and stuff, hit me up. No problem there. You can leave a comment down below. Do give this video a thumbs up. It does help us grow, obviously. And before we end the video, let's go ahead and look at something, the BTC dominance. I want to show you guys something. In the past couple weeks, we have been slowly growing in our dominance once again with Bitcoin versus everything else. But I do think there's a big chance that's going to correct itself and people are going to start investing in a lot of these other coins that have some serious potential. What I am personally investing in is obviously Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple. I did want to get into some Litecoin. I don't have a position yet, but I do want to get some Litecoin. I do have a position on Neo, which I sold a little bit of, so I'm trying to get back more of it. But since then, it has gone up in price a lot more than I sold it for, so we're gonna hope that I can get that back. After that, guys, I do have a big investment in Tron, which has already done a significant move upwards because I bought it for in the low 4 cents. Now it's in the middle of 5. Now it's in the lower of 5, so that's a whole penny forward. Problem is, though, I bought it with Bitcoin, and obviously Bitcoin has been going up so much that I would have made more money had I just kept it on Bitcoin, but that's okay. Also, I have positions in Neblio, which is not even on this page, but I do have a position on that, which has been going kind of weirdly well because Neblio spiked up really, really high a couple days, like a day and a half ago. It went up 60%, but ever since then it's gone down, but gone back up again now, about 15-20%. So that's a very weird coin. So I'm gonna hold on to that for a little bit just because I know Neblio has that potential to go back up to $50-$60 as it has done in the past. Also, I do have a pretty decent sized position on Binance coin, as I've referred to this coin a lot. I really like this coin, so I do have a position on that. And not only just to hold and sell, but I have a position just so I can use because I do trade in the Binance platform, so that helps. I have not gone into Icon yet, but I definitely want some Icon coins for sure. Dash is something I've been looking at for a little while, so I might get into that. Bitcoin Cash, for some reason, I have a weird like plague, like I don't know, like an iffiness against it, and I just haven't gone into it. I did regret it not going into it at 800 because obviously that would have been a great flip, but it's okay. It's okay. If it does go down, I might just buy a little bit into it from Coinbase, with real cash, but with fiat cash. And let's see what else. Wow, it just got so much smaller, the screen. That's about it. Oh no, gas I'll get from owning Neo. I want to own some Neo. I really want to do a video about Neo because I personally really like that project, especially after reading it. Oh look, Neblio's right over here, guys. Look at it. It's made a huge comeback. It's at $18. This coin was at like $11 for a while, and it before that it was at $60. So I was like, I gotta get in this, but unfortunately I got it in at like $20. So as you can see, I'm still in a loss on this, but that's no big deal. It climbs, and when it does, it climbs heavily. Today, like, I went to overall 24 hours and look at this, and like, there's been a few, I'm sorry, I said like so many times right there. There's been a few coins that have had 20% or more. There's been a few at 10 or more, and quite a few at 9 and 8. But when you look at the bottom side, there's been a few at the bottom side, but not that many. So as you can tell, the market overall seems like it's doing pretty damn healthy. There's so many coins in the green today. And obviously the volume is also pretty healthy. So I have faith. I have faith for the next 2, 3, 4, 5 days even. We're going to see a lot of green, and we're going to see some, not all-time highs, but we're going to see some new highs that we haven't visited for maybe a month now. But stay tuned. I'll keep you guys updated for sure. Leave a sub down below. And thank you so much for watching the video. If you guys liked it, I'll catch you later. Peace out, guys. And don't lose all your money.